as Indians go to Korea and do something. My first trip to Korea, and now it's been almost 1.5 years. Now I'm also the ambassador for Korea tourism. I realize that language is not a barrier.
You lived a dream where you were featured in one of the Korean movies जो
Yeah.
बहुत सारे लोगों को जाना होता है.
जी.
It's been a trend now.
Yeah.
Be it K-pop, be it K-dramas,
Yeah.
you've been a part of it. You became like you did a debut there, and now from there again to Indian shows. What was the difference shooting there, and how now that you're shooting for this, what was the kind of shift you felt?
Oh, amazing. Firstly, like during COVID, I started watching K-dramas, and I wanted something like feel good, and Dil Dosti Dilemma wasn't there that time. So I wanted something like a feel good show, and of course Bollywood movies are the it thing that you can always watch and rewatch your comfort movies. But I was like, let's see something new, and then I started watching K-dramas, and then I used to just randomly say that, what if, because this is a part of Asia, now people are going to Hollywood, why can't we as Indians go to Korea and do something, collaborate with them as Asians? And then I used to be like, Han River pe mujhe shoot karna hai and stuff like that. I used to just say to my mom. And then it just happened where they contacted me and they said that for the past 2 years they've been observing what I've been doing. And then over Zoom calls, we had meetings and stuff. After COVID went, I took my first trip to Korea, and now it's been almost 1.5 years. I've already done the first sked of the film Asia, and I play an assassin there. So it's very different from the characters I've played till now. So it's very different and very challenging also for me. Now I'm also the ambassador for Korea tourism. So that is also a very new aspect. Thank you guys. Thank you. That's also a very interesting aspect because I wanted to become the bridge between Korea and India because it's part of Asia, and I was like, I want Indians to know about Koreans, and it's not only about the music and the cinema, but it's also about the people, about the food, and so much. And then I worked there, and I saw that the passion remains the same. My biggest challenge was that the director Lee, he didn't speak any English. He doesn't speak any English. So it's very difficult to communicate with him because I have a translator on set who's communicating. So when you're on a set, emotions that, like the way you're discussing with your director, you have to be in sync. And that's when you understand your characters better, you understand a scene better. But I realize that language is not a barrier. It can be a little difficult, but challenges to aate hi hai, no matter what the project is. And it just worked out. It just got better. And what I found different was that they're very strategic. They're very detailed. They draw, like they still do that whole bit where they're storyboarding and they draw every single situation. They have options also and all of that. So it's very cool to see that. I learned so much in that, the whole journey. And we still have to do the second sketch. So I'm very excited for that. And then...
तो सवाल था डिफरेंस क्या है तुमने सब खुशी को
No, but genuinely the difference is that it's not very different, but the language plays a barrier. Otherwise it's the same. It's cinema, so language doesn't really affect that.
Yeah.
What was the kind of shift you felt? Now that you're in this show.
Yeah.
What was the kind of shift you felt?
Oh, it's a big shift. It's really big that we are sitting here talking to you about Amazon Original, Amazon Prime, Dil Dosti Dilemma. It's the biggest project that I've done till date, and I've always dreamt of. I'm a big rom-com fan, so I wanted to do a rom-com like this, and this is just the perfect opportunity. I'm so grateful that they thought that I can bring justice and do justice to the character. And I had a gala time. I learned so much, and it still feels surreal, honestly, that I'm here talking to you, that we have shot this last year. It feels like we just did
Same time.
This like
Last
recently.
year this time we were shooting.
Yeah, so that's why it feels like that. It feels like we just did this last month. So it feels surreal, honestly. Still, it's not sinking in.